and gentlemen, please welcome the all-new Infiniti QX80. It's muscular, commanding, sophisticated, stunning. With its combination of power, sumptuous interior, technologies, and utility, the QX80 can go head-to-head with any of the customers today.
Today we are here for the global debut of the new QX80. More than 20% of our customers are looking for a car in this segment. So I think it was a very good choice to launch this car here in Dubai. You see, it's a modern and commanding new design. It has a spacious and luxurious cabin. It has an upgraded infotainment and re-entertainment system. So this is all what customers are looking for.
The goal here was how to change the character of the car, because especially in the regions they've been asking for something with more presence, a little bit more power or expression. If you look at Q50 and Q60 as a bit Michelangelo, a little bit sensual Sophia Loren, we looked more at the Rodin for the QX80. Rodin with its power, its mass, its sense of presence. When we looked at the doors, the strong, very horizontal line under the glass, we started thinking about this line and what we can do with it. So we took it straight through the body, over the fender, to the grille, which allowed us to raise the grille almost 100 millimeters.
It gives the car a lot better stance from the front. It gives it a very concentrated look, which is very, very important. It gives it a powerful look. To be honest, to do this in a realm of a facelift is actually very, very difficult. The future of Infiniti design is very closely linked to the future technologies for Infiniti. But on the other hand, the customers are changing as well. And the customer maybe is more and more interested in what kind of experiences we have to offer. Those are the two aspects. Technology and customer experiences are going to drive our new design philosophy.
When we first launched Leap, there was nothing out there about, oh, I want an EV, even from the customer's point of view. But the company decided we're going to make a real EV, and it's going to fit 5 people, and it's going to be the democratization of electric vehicles. Electrification has given us new proportions. And of course, people can imagine that Infiniti is going to start playing in these as well, bring it with this kind of science of electrification. It's so exciting for us. These are the things that we're working on in the studio right now.